Welcome to Toon Tracks Racing. I am your host Chris, and today will be day one of the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks event. And joining me in the booth today will be my son, Racing Jacen.
Hi guys.
Day one will feature 16 monster trucks going head to head in 8 matches. This will be a drag race event, but to add a little bit of fun to this, we've piled 3 crushed cars in each of the lanes that the monster trucks will have to plow through in order to reach the finish line.
This is awesome. Let's go.
So as Jacen said, we're about to begin. The first match will be SpongeBob SquarePants going up against Wild Streak. And SpongeBob almost had it. He had the lead, but as soon as he hit the 3-car pile, he slowed down enough for Wild Streak to go streaking through, and he will eliminate SpongeBob SquarePants in the first match. And it looks like one of the fans in the stands just took a car to the face. Ouch.
Wild Streak wins.
So Wild Streak emerges as the first victor of the day, and this will bring us to our second match with the legendary Bigfoot going up against Roger Dodger. And Roger Dodger wins the match. Looks like Bigfoot had trouble grabbing traction, especially his right rear wheel, which could not grab hold of the track, and this enables Roger Dodger to come plowing through, and he will take out the legendary Bigfoot in a huge upset. If you remember, long ago, Bigfoot was our first ever monster truck champion, but this will not be the case this match as Roger Dodger prevails.
Aw, man.
So race 3, we'll see Hot Wheels Racing going up against 32 Degrees. And Hot Wheels Racing grabs the win. He may not have crossed the finish line in style, but he definitely reached the mark before 32 Degrees, and he definitely gave that finish gate a big ol' smooch. He may not have triggered the prongs, but he definitely hit that mark well before 32 Degrees to grab the win. So Hot Wheels Racing will move on, and sadly 32 Degrees will not. For the fourth match, we have the Dodge Charger RT taking on Bone Shaker in white.
Here we go.
And Bone Shaker in white will eliminate the Dodge Charger RT as you see him just completely plow through the crushed cars. No problem at all, even though he kind of crashes into the stanchion of the finish gate, but he still manages to cross the finish line before the Dodge Charger RT, and he will move on.
What a crash.
That's right, Jacen, that was a pretty good crash. And this will bring us to match 5 between Bone Shaker and Black going up against Scorcher. And Bone Shaker and Black will take the victory, and Scorcher will sadly be eliminated. But what a race this was, as Bone Shaker seemed to have a little trouble on the track, just like Bigfoot did, but he manages to keep it, blast the car up in the air, and he will cross the finish line first. Race 6 will see Smasquatch versus the Hulk. And the Hulk smashes his way through to victory, and he will eliminate Smasquatch. And the Hulk looked pretty strong in that one, and he will be roaring his way into round 2. Race 7 is Spur of the Moment versus Steer Clear. And that was a load of bull that just smashed his way through the finish line. You can see here in the replay, Steer Clear had no problem at all getting through those pile of cars, and he eliminates Spur of the Moment without breaking a sweat. For the final match of the day, we got Megarex going up against Leopard Shark.
Roar!
And contrary to what the gate says, it is Leopard Shark that came out with the victory. Watching the replay, you're going to see Megarex smashes that car right into the prong, which triggers the finish line. But it is in fact Leopard Shark that crosses the finish line first. Look at that replay. As you can see, the car hit the prong, sets off the finish line, and it'll be Leopard Shark that actually crosses it first.
That was close.
That definitely was close, and Leopard Shark edges out Megarex to move on to round 2. So day 2, we'll see 4 matchups, which will consist of Wild Streak going up against Roger Dodger, Hot Wheels Racing going up against Bone Shaker in white, Bone Shaker in black versus the Hulk, and Steer Clear taking on Leopard Shark. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. And special thank you to JLHCrafts.com Racing for sponsoring this tournament. And we will see you here soon at Toon Tracks Racing. Take care all and see you soon.
Good racing!